In this video guys, I'm gonna show you step by step how we made $50,230 just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. I will share with you a new Fiverr affiliate service that you should promote on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. For beginners, I'm gonna show you step by step how you can start, and also I will share with you which affiliate links I was promote on Pinterest. This will be one of my profitable affiliate links that I was promoting on Pinterest. So you just need to copy and paste my method to start making some money like this. It's for free and it's all profit using free traffic from Pinterest. And as you can see over here in my balance, it's showing $50,230. That's a lot of money. Okay, so if you are really interested to make some money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, this video is for you. This will be free course for you guys, step by step. You don't need to buy any courses or get any coaching program about affiliate marketing or something like this. You just need to watch this video, go and try this method and stay consistent. Let's get started. Okay, what you will do first, you need to go to Google, you need to search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here. You need to sign up to this website by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you will do, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down. So just scroll down, go to community, you should see over here affiliate, click on affiliate and it's gonna take you to this page over here, as you can see. Okay, so what you need to do next, you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, but before we do that, let's scroll down to show you commission plan. Okay, if we click over here on see commission, because they are really paying a lot of money, this is the best profitable affiliate marketing business you can start. As you can see over here, commission plan, you can earn up to $150. If just one person buy a service from your affiliate link, you can earn up to $150. That's really a lot of money. Okay, so what you will do to join Fiverr affiliate, let's go back to this Fiverr affiliate website, click over here on join now and it's gonna take you to this page over here. And as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate is super easy and simple. You just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, account type, make it private. You will answer few questions, scroll down, choose your country and choose your language. And if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and answer next few questions. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr, and now I'm gonna share with you which affiliate link service I was promoting on Pinterest to earn a lot of money. Click on the search for ClickBank affiliate link promotion. Okay, so why I choose this service, because a lot of people who has a ClickBank affiliate account, they are using Pinterest to promote their affiliate links there. Okay, so what I will do, I will give them this service. Okay, so they will be interested to promote their affiliate links using this service. Okay, this service is of course paid and they will click on my affiliate link to promote their ClickBank affiliate links and they will get commission. It's like it's win-win. Okay, it's win for me and win for them. Okay, so let me show you. Just search for ClickBank affiliate link promotion, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers, choose sellers who has a lot of reviews, and if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so for example, let's see, I'm gonna see I will do ClickBank affiliate link promotion. This one is really good. As you can see, level 1 seller. He has a lot of reviews and he is selling this service just for $5. Okay, so people will be interested to give it a try. I will click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this, as you can see. Okay, what you need to do, you need to copy his profile link. Copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here on marketing tools, click on default and dip links, and click over here and put, so let me show you, put this seller profile link here. Click over here again, just click over here, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do now is you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. I'm going to show you step by step how you can do it. Let's go to Pinterest. So if you don't have an account on Pinterest yet, just go to Google, search for Pinterest, and click on the first link over here. The sign-up process is super easy and simple, and make sure to open a business account, not personal account. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click on home feed, click on create pin, and it's gonna take you to this page over here. What you need to do, you need to upload a picture about this service that you want to promote. Okay, what I will do, I will go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr. I will scroll down and you should see over here his picture. So just click on his picture and double click and save this picture to your laptop. Click down, I'm gonna name it just ClickBank, and I will go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture to your Pinterest account. And here you go, it should be like this. Scroll down, you need to put title, description, and your affiliate link. So what you will do next, you will go back again to this profile page on Fiverr, okay, and you will copy his title, go back to Pinterest, put this title over here, description, just go back to his profile page, scroll down, and you should see over here about this gig. So this is his description. Click over here on more and you should find his description here. I will copy this part, I will go back to Pinterest, put this description here. What you need to do next, we need to put here your affiliate link. So I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account, I will copy my affiliate link from here, and I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this affiliate link here. Okay, scroll down, you need to choose a board, click over here, click on create a board if you are new, and you just need to create as many as you want. You can create a lot. Okay, so I already have a lot. I will choose this one, scroll down. So you need to put tags, okay, keyword. So those are very important, guys. Make sure to use those keywords. Okay, so how you can find those keywords? So you just need to go back to this profile seller page on Fiverr and scroll down. Just keep scrolling down, you should see related tags. Okay, those are his keyword. Copy those keywords like this and go back to Pinterest and put those keywords here. Okay, make sure to use all those keywords. Okay, and go to Pinterest, paste like this, and what you need to do next, you just need to click on publish, and here you go, your Fiverr affiliate service will be published on Pinterest like this. This is your picture, this is your affiliate link, and this is your title, your description, and that's how you can promote Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest. I'll show you which services you should promote how you can start step by step for beginners. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, subscribe to this channel, and see you in my next video.